Good afternoon, I'm Jonathan Baker. I'll be your instructor for today. We're going to be talking about a Z-rig, a 3-to-1 haul system that can be used for moving people up a hillside, people up off the edge of a ravine, vehicles, equipment, anything that you need to haul something with that's pretty heavy and you've got a limited amount of personnel to do it with. Right, 3-to-1 haul system is set up. It looks like a Z-rig. As you can see, here's the Z here. This is going to be your load, your object, wherever it may be, 200 feet off the edge of a cliff. It could be 10 feet away, but really heavy and you have to move it. Your pulleys will be set up here. One will be to your fixed object, your anchor, and then your PRUSICs or your progress capturing devices will be set in place. And that will hold your load as you pull your rope and move everything towards you. All right, we're going to talk a little bit about rope. The rope that we're going to be using is static rope. It's not dynamic rope like rock climbers use. It's actually pretty stiff. The breaking strength of this rope is 12,000 pounds. You can really feel how actually stiff it is. But it's really good for a haul system. Load bearing, very, very good. You can't beat this rope for using it for a haul system. Very, very strong. All right, next we're going to be talking about webbing. Webbing is going to be used for your anchor, wrap around your anchor. This is a 1-inch tubular webbing. It is held together. The ends are held together with a water knot, as you can see in the picture. They did it in 2 different colors so you could actually see the way it's tied. It's very little stretch. It does not stretch at all, actually, but held together pretty good. Single loop is 6,000 pounds. 6,000 pounds. If you double it, it holds 12,000 pounds, which is the same as this rope here. So you have a redundant weight distribution on your equipment. You can also use it for patient lashing if you wanted to use it to haul somebody out of a burning building and use it for a drag, or you can use it for a full body harness also. This is actually 15 feet. We've marked it on the edge of it so you know exactly how long it is. And it's also daisy chained. That's the easiest way to carry it because you can hook a carabiner in this end of it here and hook it to your equipment and tote it around with you. There we go. You can tote it around with you and have it with you at all times. Okay. All right, so some of the hardware that we're going to be talking about are carabiners and pulleys. Some of the carabiners that you see are non-locking carabiners. They usually use these in rock climbing. They're just as strong, it's just they don't lock. These are locking. As you can see, they have screw types. This is an auto lock, one that automatically, when you let it go, when the gate closes, it locks on its own. And this is a screw type lock that you can use to screw lock the gate. So I've painted these red so you can actually close it and know that it's locked off and the gate won't open on you. So you can unlock it, you see the red, you know that it's going to open and close on you. So I wouldn't recommend these for the haul systems. They don't lock and you need all yours to lock. So we're going to use these aluminum. They're lightweight and easy to use. All right, the next are the pulleys. We got 2 pulleys that we're going to be using. This is a PRUSIC minding pulley. It's flat on the end. You'll see a lot of them that have a full curve, but this one will actually mind the PRUSICs that we'll be talking about in a few minutes. So really good heavyweight pulleys that we have. This is also a double pulley. It's got a becket on the end of it, so you can actually make a 4-to-1 haul system if you'd like, if you want to use a double pulley in your system. So, we're not going to be using that today. We're just going to use it as a single pulley. All right, some of the progress capturing devices that can be used is a rescue sender, which is in the picture itself. I don't have one to show you, but it's a piece of hardware that you can use in the Hall system itself, or we can use the progress capturing device on the 8mm ropes that we're going to be using, which are really nice to use because they're lightweight and easy to have around. They're called Prusiks. They come in different sizes and lengths. Usually you're going to use one longer and shorter than the other to make them easier to capture with. I'm going to have somebody come up here and hold a piece of rope so I can actually show you how this thing works. You'll hold that for me, I would appreciate it. Okay, so as you can see on the picture, you're going to come in and it goes through itself and goes through itself each time until you end up with